Assalamu alaikum my followers and colleagues. In this video I will explain to you how to use the MDV air conditioner remote control. Every air conditioner should have an on-off button. With the help of this button we can turn our air conditioner on and off. This is the mode button. With the help of this button we can change the modes of the air conditioner. Every time we press this button, we switch to the next mode of the air conditioner. Now the air conditioner is in cooling mode. A snowflake and the word cool appear on the screen. We press the mode button and switch to drying mode. We press it again to switch to heat mode. This is the fan mode. We press it again and switch to auto mode. Since most users use the air conditioner for cooling, we start by explaining this mode. We press the mode button and a snowflake and the word cool appear on the screen. In this mode, we set the air conditioner temperature to 22-24 degrees. Setting the air conditioner to a temperature below 22 degrees Celsius is not recommended as it will cause a cold. In cooling mode, we can choose the desired fan speed. This air conditioner has 4 speeds: low, medium, high and auto. We press the mode button again and switch to drying mode. This mode is designed to reduce the humidity in the room. We press the mode button again and switch to heating mode. The sun symbol and the word heat appear on the screen. In heating mode, we set the temperature to 27-30 degrees Celsius. The most important thing for us in this mode is to set the fan speed of the air conditioner to auto speed mode. To do this, we press the fan button several times, and when the word auto appears on the screen, the air conditioner switches to auto speed. The auto speed mode allows the microprocessor to select the fan speed of the air conditioner according to the condensation temperature, which makes the air conditioner work more efficiently. We press the mode button again and switch to fan mode. In this mode, the air conditioner will work like a regular fan. We press the mode button again and switch to auto mode. What is the mode for? Let's assume that we have set the air conditioner temperature to 24 degrees in this mode. In this case, if the temperature in the house is lower than 24 degrees Celsius, the air conditioner will work in heating mode, and if it is higher, in cooling mode. We press the mode button again and return to cooling mode. There are other buttons on this remote control, and now I will explain to you how to use them. With the help of this button, we can change the direction of the blinds by 6 degrees. This button is for moving the air conditioning blinds up and down. This air conditioner has an interesting function. Let's say we set the temperature to 22 degrees Celsius when we lie down in bed. In this case, it is recommended to press the sleep button. When this button is pressed, a crescent moon and stars appear on the screen. When this button is pressed, the air conditioner will raise the temperature to 23 degrees Celsius after 2 hours and 24 degrees after a few hours. To exit this mode, we need to press the same button again. Sometimes we want our house to cool down quickly when we come home. We have set the temperature to 22 degrees Celsius. In this case, we can increase the cooling power of the air conditioner by pressing the turbo button. In addition, there is another useful button. This is the Eiffel button. When this button is pressed, a human silhouette appears on the screen. Now the air conditioner temperature will be measured using the remote control. When I press this button, the temperature has changed and shows 22 degrees Celsius because I have just held the remote control in my hand. For the Eiffel mode to work, The distance between the air conditioner and the remote control should not be more than 7 meters. To exit the I feel mode, we need to press the same button again. This button is the favorite mode. When we press the button and hold it for 2 seconds, our favorite mode is saved in the remote control's memory. If someone changes their setting of the remote control after us, for example to dry mode, then you will only need to press this button. The self-clean button is designed to dry the moisture on the evaporator of the air conditioner. Sometimes it happens that we want the air conditioner button to be locked. When you press and hold the turbo and self-clean buttons at the same time for a few seconds, a lock icon appears on the screen. When this icon appears, none of the buttons on the remote control work. To exit this mode, you need to press the same button again. As you can see, the lock icon has disappeared from the screen. Sometimes it is necessary to schedule the turning on and off on the air conditioner. Timer on and timer off functions are provided for this. How does this mode work? Let's assume that it is PM 11. If we want our air conditioner to turn on after 4 hours, then we press the timer on button, and here we set the time to 4 hours later and remove our finger. After the clock flashes several times, the timer on icon appears on the screen. This means that our air conditioner will turn on after 4 hours. If we want our air conditioner to turn off at AM 6, then we press the timer button twice and switch to timer off mode. After the indicators flash several times, the word timer off will appear on the screen. Our air conditioner will turn on after 4 hours and turn off after 9 hours. To exit the timer function, you need to reset the clock indicators again. To do this, press the timer button and reset the indicator using the temperature buttons and move our finger away. For timer off, press the same button twice to reset it. Thank you for following us until the end.